What's up, guys? It's Ryan at Kaizink showing off my improvement for the day, and I was over in screen printing folding some shirts, and the way that the setup was before was this folder was turned the other way. So you were essentially folding your shirts here, the box is in front of you, you're stacking them up, but as the box starts getting high, like, it was kind of difficult to reach in there to push the shirts down, and after about a half box in, I was kind of starting to feel a little pinch in my back, and I was like, well, that's not going to work for the long haul. So what I did is I just rotated the folder. So you put your shirt on, fold it, and it's just an easy slide in. And it's really close as far as like pushing down the top to get your other shirts in. And then another small improvement was, and this is something that needs to be developed a little bit more, was the labels were sitting right underneath the box, and they were kind of catching on the box flap. It was just kind of in an awkward spot. So I took 2 binder clips. They aren't fully clipped in. It's just flipped up, and it's enough to hold it in place. And before you load the labels, and if you give it a crease, it's kind of in a decent spot. So now you can just peel it, put it in its place, hold your shirt as you would. And then once you get to the next shirt, all you do is you just pull straight up on it, and then you're good to load up your next label. And then the labels that you use to verify your count just go under the box on the left. So yeah, that's my improvement for the day. Thanks for watching.